Here I've got DOOGEE Mix, and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select sound, here it is, and then scroll down a bit. Here you will find Do Not Disturb, simply click on it, and now you can personalize this mode. So at first you can open priority only allows, you can add some exceptions, for example you can switch on, off and on, for example reminders and events. Once this DND mode is on, you can also personalize messages and calls. So if you click on messages, you can allow messages from anyone, contacts only, start contacts only, or from none of them above, and I will pick contacts only. Then you can do exactly the same thing with calls. So let me pick calls and then click on start contacts only. You can also activate the repeat callers function. So if the same person calls you a second time within a 15-minute period, it will allow it. So I can activate it. Let's go back. Then you can also set some automatic rules. Over here, you can pick one from the existing, but you can also add yours. So just click on Add Rule, then select if it should be event or time rule. And now just name it. And click on OK. Then select the days on which it should be active. So let me switch off, for example, Saturday and Sunday. So it will be on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday between, for example, 10 p.m. and 6 a.m. next day. Then select the DND mode that you would like to have, so it can be priority only, alarms only or total silence. I will pick alarms only. And finally you can activate very useful function, so alarm can override end time. It will stop at the end time or next alarm, whichever comes first. So that will be all. It's active. If you would like to switch it off, you can simply click on this switcher, but then if you would like to permanently delete some rule, you can simply activate on the bin icon. Click on the bin icon, just like that, click on delete, and that's it. As you can see, it disappeared. You can quickly access DND mode through the upper bar, simply slide it down, and now click on Do Not Disturb mode icon. Now select the option, so it can be total silence, alarms only or priority only, and then simply click on Done. Then you can switch it off the same way, simply by tapping. So that's basically all. This is how you can personalize and activate Do Not Disturb mode in DOOGEE Mix. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.